Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia 3610, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this device. So to get started, we'll want to just pop off the cover right here. So you can start from the top right over here. There we go. So once you take that off, you'll see the battery. You want to pop it out as well. And this will give you access to the SIM tray and 2 different SD trays. Or the other way around, 2 SIM trays and 1 SD tray. So anyway, we're going to start off with the SD card, which goes right over here. And as you can see, there's this little flap. So what you want to do is, I believe, which direction? There we go. So we need to push it this way. You'll hear it pop, and from there you can just kind of flip it out. And now you want to just pop your card on here. Now as you can see, it's just kind of going to flop around. So there we go. Just make sure it's in place, then move the flap back, press it down, and then pull it to shut it back so it won't open up again. And now going to the SIM cards, and now it looks like we are going to need to use the biggest one. You can see these are not the sizes, so let me quickly grab one of these. So this will be a little bit tricky, so to be honest, I'm not sure. Uh-oh, I just captured my finger. So anyway, I'm not sure if it's gonna be actually able to pop in there, just because those cards don't really hold too well when they have been popped out of these. But I guess we'll see. And there we go. So as you can see, it's almost in there. There we go. So now that it's on here, now I'm gonna use only one of those. You pop the card the same way in both of them, so just kind of put it like so and slide it under this metal flap. Now assuming I can actually do it, there we go. Now you want to basically push it until this just pops into place, and this little plastic part. There we go, it will lock the card in, and now it's locked. So from here, let's just grab our battery, pop it in, turn on the device. There we go, it's turning on. Enter SIM card pin. Code accepted. Now, I believe it's reading one of the cards. As you can see, there is no SIM card, but I believe this is the second tray. And the first one just gives me nothing. Before it was also saying no SIM card. And you can also see right here, the second one, it's lit up, so it is detecting the second one right over here. So that is how you insert your SIM card, and obviously the SD card is working as well. Now, you'd be reading music and stuff like that, but there's nothing on here. And I'm not exactly sure where the settings for the storage are located here, so I won't be going into it. But obviously the card was inserted correctly and it will be working. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.